Hi. Today we will talk about the GlucoFlush. With the best reviews for you, we have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy GlucoFlush. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing GlucoFlush. The first thing you need to know about GlucoFlush is, be careful about the website you will buy GlucoFlush, because GlucoFlush is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is GlucoFlush and does it really work? And the answer is yes, GlucoFlush works. GlucoFlush is a proprietary bespoke formula of 11 high-quality plant-based parasite washers and blood sugar-supporting ingredients. The 11 are pumpkin seed, slippery elm bark, wormwood herb, fennel seed, marshmallow root, black walnut hull, clove bud, garlic bulb, oregano leaf oil, peppermint leaf oil and papaya seed extract. This formula is unlike anything you have ever tried or experienced in your life before. You will be able to significantly reduce your blood sugar levels without the need for useless medications, diets, supplements or exercise. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with GlucoFlush, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used GlucoFlush, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test GlucoFlush during 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the GlucoFlush, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for GlucoFlush to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. The bottle comes with a dropper that you need to fill up once a day and add to your orange juice, tea or pure water. Otherwise you won't see great results and you'll be really a bit frustrated. Also important for you to know, GlucoFlush has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy GlucoFlush, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that GlucoFlush really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.